We've redesigned multiple websites, and honestly, most of them had the same problem. They looked nice, but they weren't built to sell. They were like online brochures, pretty to see, not great at converting. Here's what we changed. First, we made the main message super clear. Within 3 seconds, people understand what you offer and why it matters. Second, we removed the clutter, extra pages, confusing menus, unnecessary animations, gone. Third, we added strong calls to action: book now, buy now, contact us. Clear, direct, no confusion. Fourth, we added proof: real numbers, real results, real client stories. And fifth, we tested everything: headlines, buttons, offers. We improved what worked. The result: websites that were converting at less than 1% started converting at 4 to 5%. Same traffic, way more sales. Want your website to actually sell? DM us for a free strategy call.